The Special Criminal Court has sentenced Michael McKevitt to 20 years in prison for directing the activities of the RIRA and for membership of that organisation. Mr Justice Richard Johnson said that the court was satisfied the offences were planned and premeditated with a view to causing serious harm to people and property. Leave to appeal was refused.
Michael McKevitt arrived at the Special Criminal Court this afternoon and again refused to leave his holding cell to hear the judges pass sentence on him. Convicted of directing the activities of the real IRA and being a member of that paramilitary group, the three judges said they were satisfied his crimes were planned and premeditated and caused serious harm to property and people. Presiding Judge Mr Justice Richard Johnson said McKevitt played a leading role in directing the real IRA and induced others to join and commit offences. Mr Justice Richard Johnson referred today to the case of Colin Murphy, who is being sued by the families of the victims of the Omagh bombing. Murphy was sentenced to 14 years in jail here at the Special Criminal Court for conspiracy to cause explosions, but the judge said this case was more serious. He said they had contemplated sentencing McKevitt to 25 years, but in the end they gave him 20 years on the charge of directing terrorism and another 6 on the charge of membership, both sentences to run concurrently, a total of 20 years. The judge said the sentence must not be seen to seek revenge for the Omagh atrocity. McKevitt's offences took place in the years after it. Before he was taken away, he did appear in the dock. He had to if he wanted to appeal. He also applied in person for free legal aid, but leave to appeal was refused. Tonight, the 53-year-old begins his first ever prison sentence in a cell in the maximum security Portlaoise prison. Paul Reynolds, RTE News, the Special Criminal Court.